This is good shit. So he's thanking the Lord for my fan noise. And he continues to call me an idiot. And he can't prove me wrong. Because I'm right. I showed you how DNA is formed. It's formed with 3 helix. And he's over here fucking just whining like a little fucking cunt. You know, Lee, I haven't said this, but it needs to be said. Your mother should have never been allowed to breed, because look at what she bred. Jesus fucking Christ, you're so stupid. You do harm to people. You may have made a video, but it was fucking wrong, dude. Accept it. You're also wrong about the scarab and the moon. Huh? You're wrong about all kinds of fucking shit. You're wrong about the sex cult, dude. You're wrong about everything you open your fucking mouth on. Not everything's dead, like you say. You say energy and matter is dead. It's vibrating. What's causing it? Huh? You're vibrating, dude. You're alive, motherfucker. Magnet fields in the human body. They connect, they contact, they do things. They can stack and strengthen another magnet, like Earth's, because it's an electron magnet just like the one in your chest. You fucked hard. They stack. And your book clearly says the moon will be fucking confused. North Hemisphere view, South Hemisphere view from my front porch is fucking confused. Confused, 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 confused. Isaiah 24:23, one of the most famous prophecies of the Bible, and you go around making videos trying to deny it just to make me look wrong? Lee, you're wrong. You're misleading people to their death, dude. You suck in so many fucking different forms, it's not even funny. You take money for people's lives, dude. You were approached by a billionaire and his minions. My doppelganger, you took down your content and you changed your attitude about life, women, and knowledge. You're an embarrassment to humanity.